In this video, we will recap what we learned in this section of the course. There are three types of depth-first traversals on trees: in-order, pre-order, and post-order. An in-order traversal visits the left node, then the root, and then the right node. A pre-order traversal visits the root node, then the left node, and then the right node. A post-order traversal visits the left node, then the right node, and then the root node. A breadth-first search, or BFS, visits each of the neighbor nodes before visiting the child nodes. With this algorithm, a queue is used, since queues exhibit the FIFO property, first in, first out. A depth-first search, or DFS, visits each of the child nodes before visiting the neighbor nodes. With this algorithm, a stack is used, since stacks exhibit the LIFO property, last in, first out.